My name is Adhiambo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My life is quite simple with a bit of adventure, facial expressions, and loads of laughter. I'm willing to try and experience new things. Well, sometimes.
As you man happen. I will see Mama.
That said, there is always room to try and learn new things.
Black one. It was where the black people were selling.
So consider my channel sort of a chill spot where we can learn together. There will be modeling, fashion, travel, and of course food, glam, awesome friends, and life lessons I have learned along the way. Thank you for stopping by and have yourself an amazing holiday filled with all the love and happiness in the world. May your new year come with blessings upon blessing. See you on the other side of the subscribe button.